Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jelena. I am stay-at-home mom of 2 kids, a boy and a little girl, and I make cleaning motivation videos, organization, lifestyle, DIYs, fitness videos, and much more. And I really hope you will consider subscribing, and don't forget to click that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Jess. Her channel name is Jess and the Boys, and you guys will enjoy watching her videos. She makes homeschooling videos, DIYs, sewing tutorials, which is so much fun to watch, cleaning videos, and so much more. I will let her introduce herself.
Hey guys, I'm Jess. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. On my channel, I share videos about cooking, cleaning, DIYs, day in the life, homeschool things, anything to do with mom life. I'm excited to be doing this video with my friend Jelena today. So when you're done watching her video, I hope you decide to come over and give my channel a visit. Maybe decide to stick around and subscribe.
After watching my video, please go ahead and check out her video and her channel, and I really hope you will like it. The theme of this video is a Valentine's Day treat. So I have prepared for you very simple and easy but cute as can be a treat for Valentine's Day. And this treat is so simple to make. It requires only few ingredients. Let me show you what supplies I'm going to use. I have this mold, candy melt mold, and it's actually a Valentine's Day one, and I have this for a couple years now. You can buy it at Joann's, and with a coupon you can pay only a few bucks for it. If you don't have that, you can definitely use any of the silicone cups. I also saw Walmart or other stores are selling ice cube trays that are heart-shaped. You can use those as well, even though they're a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna use that, and also I'm gonna use this chocolate, or you can use chocolate melts, whichever you have. This is what I had on hand, and I have some leftovers chocolate melts, so either one of those will work. And then you can use, if you're using white chocolate, you can use food coloring and sprinklers, and I'm using these sprinklers that are gold. Now there is one thing that you can add, and that is totally optional. That is Nutella, and I'm gonna more than likely use that too, or you can add any kind of nuts or anything that you like, actually. So let's get started. I started by melting chocolate in a microwave until it's all melted and smooth. Next, I got my mold, and I covered the bottom of the mold with my melted chocolate. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along? Then I put it in a freezer to harden. In my heart-shaped mold, I put some sprinkles on the bottom and then added first layer of chocolate. In the remaining melted chocolate, I put some red food coloring until I got desired color. Now that my chocolate is hard, I took it out of the freezer and I started applying anything that I wanted. In this case, I put some Nutella. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing
On the top of Nutella, I am putting my pink melted chocolate and starting in the corners first and then going towards the middle. And then on the top I added some more sprinkles. My second piece I decided to decorate with food coloring. So first I poured a pink melted chocolate on top and then I added a few drops of red food coloring, and using a toothpick I just created a design. For my heart-shaped one, I decided to add the second layer of brown chocolate, and on top I added some sliced almonds. You can totally play around and put anything you want. And after they are frozen, I took them out of the freezer and started peeling off the mold. And there it is. This is how it looks like. I think it's very cute and very, very easy to make, as you saw, and you can customize it the way you want it.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move.
I really like the way they turned out. You can store them in some cute box, or you can put them in a little baggie with some ribbon on top, and that's how you can gift them.
I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments down below what kind of desserts or treats are you making for your loved ones this Valentine's Day. Share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, don't forget to click on notification bell button. At the end, check out Jess's channel and Jess's video about her Valentine's treat. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!